Well, today, on this episode of Sailing Spokane, I'm going to work on the sliding hatch, getting it sanded down. I don't know if you can see it there. I'll try and zoom in a little bit here to show you what it looks like currently. I don't know if that shows up right there. All these scratches, the previous owner painted this. I'm not sure what he painted it with, but it needs to come off. It's going to get all covered with Interlux epoxy prime coat and then Interlux Perfection. And I think it's going to be Matterhorn white. But anyway, I'm not sure yet. I don't know if this is strong enough to step on. I'm going to test that out. If it does feel that way, then I may put some non-skid on here. Okay, well, first off, we'll wipe this down with some paint prep to remove any chance, if there's any wax left in here at all, which I never waxed this in the short time that I've owned it. It needed it being painted back then, so it would be anything that's left over, but it's better to make sure of that before we progress with sanding, so we don't drive that down into the substrate. You want to wipe it on these small areas. Wipe it off before it dries. Really shouldn't be doing it this way. I should pour it into one of those cups right there. I didn't. Well, this is going to get a little noisy with the vacuum and the sander running, so I'll probably end up muting a lot of this out, but anyway, we'll get started here. I've seen Mads on Sail Life do this, so it's like we'll go from this to that. That didn't work well, but anyway. It's finally sanded on the outside, and I'll flip it over here in a moment and show you the inside. I don't know how this is going to show up, but right in here, this has started to delaminate and separate from the mahogany. Kind of a stiffener, but it's also for the stop and a latch. But anyway, this is going to need some fiberglass repair. And this really doesn't show up, but there's a groove worn right through here where the hatch boards, this rested apparently on the hatch boards. So I'm going to lay in some glass and some filler in this area as well. Well, at this point, I have the glass on and I haven't laid on the peel ply. And peel ply keeps the air away and eliminates the amine blush. It keeps it from there, puts a barrier up. But anyway, I'll check that out later. But I want to thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you would, please, if you like it. But thanks and take care.